some companies which come for various roles in finance and technical roles as well. To begin with, there is Nomura, there's JP Morgan, there's Goldman Sachs, there's Morgan Stanley, and we have retail banks coming as well. There's Axis Bank, ICICI, and a lot more for internships and placements. So there's a lot of scope in finance, especially because IIT Madras has always been encouraging finance as an option. So they come for roles like analyst, quantitative researcher. They come for
Vaishnavi, I'm sorry. I think there has been an interruption in between. Could you just start from first?
Okay. Okay. Let's start from the first slide then.
I know. You can start from this finance career options.
Okay. 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 Yeah. So there are quite some finance companies that come for internships and placements. There are companies like Nomura, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and there are retail banks like Axis Bank, ICICI, etc., which come for placements and internships. They come for various roles like analyst, quantitative researcher, risk manager, R&D profiles, etc. So there's a lot of finance culture in our institute, and Finance Club is here to promote this culture. So what exactly do we do? Webinars. So this is the best learning curve. We call in industry professional and experts in the field of finance to give webinars on various topics like high frequency trading, there is cryptocurrency, etc. There are alums and there are other professionals as well. Yeah, Abhitan?
So yeah, the next slide.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coming up to tie-ups and collaboration. So us as a club, I've reached out to several organizations looking for subscriptions and several other stuff which we could provide you students, which helps you in several things, starting from your creation of portfolio to applying for interns. So here you guys can see a few of the subscriptions which we brought to the students. So this is something which the students get. And okay, to boast of being a finance manager, us as managers, we have got an extended subscription which is that's that. Moving on, next slide.
Yeah.
So yeah, investment ADC. So investment ADC is basically the original Finance Club magazine. So this investment ADC magazine has its own reputation among the several other magazines which has been published by other IIDs as well. So
Guys,
so
wait. Is there any problem with slides? A lot of people are saying it's not visible.
I could see the slides.
I can see also. Can someone confirm? Okay, fine,
Visible.
Yeah, it's
fine.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
Which
cool then.
visible?
yeah. So, Abhidan, maybe you can just talk about the collaborations a bit again because we have lost you in between,
Yeah, okay, okay. I'm sorry.
uh, and just tell them a bit more about everything. Okay.
Yeah, cool. So, you guys, I'll start up with the collaborations again. So basically, us managers have reached out to several other organizations seeking out collaboration. So basically, we've reached several institutes and several financial institutions who offered courses which are usually paid. And speaking of paid courses, so finance-related courses are really expensive. So I think most of you guys couldn't be able to afford those. And us as a club, since we have a huge reputation among these big giants. We got these. We got these subscriptions for you guys. So you can see we got an year free subscription from Finance Unlock, which is a really good platform. You guys could use those. And for you guys, for you freshies, we'll be getting furthermore subscription in the future as well. So stay tuned and look at your estimates as well. Uh, so yeah, also like investment.in is really good. So we got an like it's an we got a 3 month free access. Like it covers a lot of stuff which is really useful for you guys. So yeah, moving on.
Yeah, to add on the perks of being a part of the club, We generally get extended warranties, we get extended subscriptions, and also internships because of our connect with alumni in finance. So that is one of the added advantage to be a manager in the club. Yeah.
So yeah, investment EDC. Coming back to it again. So investment EDC, as I said before, it is the original finance club magazine. So we have our own reputation among other magazines which are published by many other colleges, including other IITs as well. Uh, so uh, so the main objective of investment EDC is that we publish a lot of publish monthly issues which covers a lot of topics which happens around the world. Uh, so you guys could look into it as well. And so investment EDC has an outreach of a massive amount of 4.5K around the country. So investment EDC has a unique section called Alum Talks, from which the our correspondents have put in many interviews which they have conducted, and this also includes the thing which the alums have alums have talked about their experience from their financial industries which they worked upon. Moving on.
Yeah, one second. Adding on, we also have a section wherein you can contribute your articles.
Vaishnavi?
Hello? Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, the next slide.
Yeah, so
Yes.
adding on, the point I wanted to mention was we also have a section wherein you can contribute your own articles. And generally, the articles are written in a very layman terms so that everyone understands the difficult topic of finance. And correspondents generally write the articles. We also have a section for everyone to contribute. You can look into the website for more details. And then trading competitions, we have collaborated with IIT Bombay, Roorkee, Delhi, BHU, Kanpur, etc. for a Pan IIT crypto trading competition. It was about cryptocurrency and blockchain. And then we also had an inter-IIT stock market competition. It was IIT Chennai versus IIT BHU. It was conducted in collaboration with D Street Games. Then moving on to projects, this is the flagship event of Finance Club. So what we do is we recruit project members and giving them mentoring from industry professionals. We indulge in making projects of various topics. This year we have taken up 2 topics: stock prediction using machine learning algorithms and option pricing. Yeah, continuing miscellaneous. Abhitan, you can take it.
So yeah, regarding miscellaneous, so I think most of you guys don't know that there is an internship season which is happening in our institute. So internship event is where a lot of people applied for many interns. So this includes finance companies as well. So these finance companies usually test quant and coding. So us as a club, we have organized a total of 5 tests, which we conducted for all the students who are applying for interns, and which really has helped all these students for preparing their intern. So almost like more than 750 people, including the 3rd years and 4th years and postgraduates who are applying for interns have gained a tremendous amount of exposure from these tests, which have helped them in attending their questions. We also collected several questions which were asked from the previous years intern questions, and which was also useful for placements. Yeah, the next slide.
Okay, someone asked what is quant. So basically, the quant is what is the quantitative analysis is. So it's a mathematical and statistical methods that we use in finance. Okay, basically people who work in the quantitative analysis field called as quants, they are specialized into specific areas which are including derivatives, pricing, risk management, algorithmic trading, investment management. So you guys have a better understanding of all these things in future when we will have a webinars on different topics. We do conduct all the webinars on the topics which are very relevant to you. Since you have joined late, you might have not joined to any of our webinar previously, but we have uploaded all the webinars on our YouTube channel. In case if anyone is very interested, they can go to the YouTube channel and see the webinars recording. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. So as far as the activities are concerned, this is what we do. Any questions are encouraged. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Vaishnavi, you're all.
Yeah. So yeah, any questions are encouraged.
Okay, someone asked
Hello.
when was this club started. So the uh, very new, like we have, it's been our 5th year by the time the club started. It was under INDR secretary previously, but now we comes under academic affairs secretary. So yeah, so this is our 5th year as a club. Yeah.
Does this come under like business and management type?
What exactly you wanted to say?
Like I want like what exactly like you showed us the slides. I saw the events. They are really nice and what all comes under the club. But is this
Okay.
more oriented towards business and management side?
No. Actually, we as a IITian, when we go to finance companies, we do lot of math stuff, lot of AI, machine learning, AI stuff. So that is what we known for companies coming to the institute for hiring IIT Madras students. Expect lot of technical knowledge from you. They don't expect lot of finance knowledge as such, but they do expect lot of coding knowledge, lot of math knowledge from you. Like obviously, you guys got very good rank in your JE, and that's why you are into IIT Madras, right? So we are by nature good with mathematics. So companies coming for finance expect that you are good with maths and you are good with coding. It doesn't come under business and management as such.
Okay, nice. Thanks.
Yeah.
There are some questions in the chat box. Arjit Tripathi has asked, "How do I start?" As I don't know anything about it. Okay. To begin with, to come up with day-to-day activities and all, our monthly magazine, investment, etc., is really good medium, wherein you can understand what happens in general in the most important business and finance happenings all around. We have webinars on very specific topics. You can attend them to get more knowledge about it. Yeah. And then there are other questions like, what's the
Yeah.
YouTube channel?
Yeah. In future, we will have a session which will basically like dedicated to you guys who are new to finance. We will tell in depth that how should you start. One of our manager has written an article regarding that. We will share the article link as well if it is possible. Okay. Yeah.
When are these internship preparation test series conducted? So the internship season happens when you come to your third year first semester. So we conduct the test itself when in third year first semester. Then what do we have? Where can I get the access? Yeah, we have put in the okay. A YouTube channel's name. Yeah, we will put that in the chat box. YouTube channel. What exactly is role of programming here? Okay. What exactly is the role of programming here? All finance companies that come generally come for programming plus finance. Goldman Sachs comes for an analyst profile, which also has some bit of coding. Yeah, so that is what.
Okay, so
Yeah.
one of our co-head Vignesh recently ended his internship with Goldman Sachs, which is a day 1.1 company. Maybe you can ask him. Vignesh, are you there?
Yeah, Samat, I'm here. So to
Yeah.
give an overview of how programming can be used, so you can imagine that like you have a lot of data available, right? So any decision which you make, you can make a better decision or a more informed decision if you can make the best out of the data which you have. And programming is just a tool which you could use to get better or proper insights. This could be a good overview. So as far as you look at the finance companies, they have a lot of data like the stock value data or like the options data. Like there are a lot of financial derivatives and data is available for all these derivatives or any any material for that matter. So, people hire these banks or these finance institutions. They hire people for. We have already discussed this. They hire for quant roles, analyst, data analyst roles, risk manager roles, and all these roles require you to make use of programming in the most efficient manner possible. So this is where programming comes into play.
Yeah, just for your information, guys, the most paid jobs, the companies which pay the most in institutes are the finance companies. All other companies pay relatively like lesser than the finance companies pay. That's why a lot of people target them, and like it's a good career option to have if you really interested into maths and building strategies, logics. You should go into algorithmic trading, and then yeah, isn't that sense? Okay, so which branch students usually go for finance sector? So yeah, this is a good question. Finance companies, when they open for students, they open for each and every branch, which is unlike to other companies. Companies like Microsoft or Google do come for internships and placement, but they usually open for CS and electrical branch. Some companies will be open for chemical. Some companies will be open for ED and all. But these companies, finance companies, will be open for all students for each and every branch. So you don't need to worry on that part. So basically, competition will be slightly higher when you will apply for companies, because everyone will be there to compete with you. Yeah. Any more?
There is one person who asked, so there isn't really hardcore finance, or am I mistaken? There are companies which come for hardcore finance. There is Nomura and Morgan Stanley which come, as far as I know. Samarth, you can add upon.
Yeah, so basically, we in IIT Madras usually study maths and lot of science in our 4 or 5 years, right? So companies don't expect lot of finance knowledge from you, though it's a add-on. Then you'll have your interview and you'll have your test, but they don't expect lot of finance. What they believe is they will teach you once you join the company. It's not very hard to learn finance in that manner. People usually give exams like CFA, FRM after they join the company. It's not necessary that you should know all the finance, but it's necessary that you should have a good understanding of coding, as well as you should be very good with maths, basic maths and aptitude. uh,
Can
like, ML part of coding is sufficient. No, you see, it's not just ML. There are a lot of things comes under coding. There are a lot of parts will come under coding. There, data science is also there. Uh, it's not just ML. Okay, a basic coding will also do sometimes. Hard coding you need to do when you are building some alphas for a trading company. So that depends upon what company you are doing and what project you are having. uh, yeah, so
um,
programmers are more into data and algo than development field. Sorry, I didn't understand this question. Will you hold any competition for freshies in near future? Yeah, we do. We will definitely hold a competition for freshies, but the thing is, we don't target a particular group of people. We will have it for all the students, not just freshies. Yes, any workshop for us? Yeah. So yeah. So this is the thing. Like we will reveal us what the quiz winners will have. Okay. We will have a quiz after this. The winners of the quiz will get a chance to do a mini project with us. So in that project, we will have a small workshop for all of you, and along with the, like, apart from the project, we will have a workshop as well. They just check your ML skills. No, man, like they don't check your ML skills. Okay, when the interview will happen, they will basically add you puzzles. They will ask you some maths question. They will ask you 2 or 3 coding questions, just basic coding questions about Python. They'll check if you have a good understanding of coding or not. Because see, to reach to the interview, you'll have to go through a lot of tests, the aptitude test, technical coding test. So once you clear that, it is pre-assumed that you are good with coding and all. So they don't grill you on that part. It's not necessary that the questions will be around ML or DL as such. The questions can be anything related to coding. Is the club is hardcore finance oriented, just purpose of getting jobs? No, man. Like we are spreading the we basically spreading the knowledge of finance among the students. Okay, we are a group of students who are working to foster the knowledge among the students, not here to uh, support you with getting job into finance sector. Obviously we will help you with getting into companies with lot of by providing lot of materials and lot of other things. But it's not just for companies. We usually have lot of things which are not related to companies, like the magazine, which is unique. No other IIT have this magazine, and we have a very good reach of 5,000 students as of now, and it is increasing gradually. It's been our like 6th issue only, and we are 5,000 plus reader membership program members in the magazine. Uh, yeah. Yeah, so we can start the quiz, maybe Abhidan and Vaishnavi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
guys,
can
maybe
start
post it
it.
in the chat box. Yeah.
And as mentioned earlier, the perk would definitely be whoever we will select people based on the results of this quiz, and then they will be able to get into a mini project wherein we will take workshops and sessions for personal finance and other such topics. Uh,
Okay, so
yeah, so in the chat box,
yeah,
so you
it's a
can
very
start
simple,
writing the quiz.
it's a very simple, fun quiz. Don't bother about the marks and all. Just enjoy the questions. Let us know if you have any suggestions for us. Yeah. So Adarsh, we done something regarding the improving the finance literacy last year. We have basically collaborated with Adani Foundation and went to villages and all to improve the financial literacy in the villages. We have held 2-3 sessions in the villages near Chennai in the last year, but this year due to COVID we can't do really anything, right? We can't go outside and do these things. But again, as soon as COVID things get cured and we will have our regular thing started, no? We will work on improving the finance literacy. The intraday trading into club, people who are actively participating. Yeah, like we usually don't do trading, okay, but we know a lot of people. Some of our managers do stock investments, and one of our alums is working in a algo trading firm, high frequency trading firm, basically. So yeah, we know a lot of people who do trading. So if in case you are interested and you want any help, we can help you connecting with a lot of alums, and they will help you with the thing. We have had plans to start our investment club as well, but it's still on paper right now. We haven't made any progress regarding that.
Adding on, the first project that we have mentioned, stock price prediction using machine learning algorithms, we plan on making an intraday trading platform using the same extension model. So we are still thinking on that also. So the first project is a framework. So we're planning to use that framework to make intraday trading also. So we are still planning on that.
Any more questions, guys? Please do ask. We hate this silence.
Also, guys, we encourage you all to follow our social media handles. Uh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be posting the links over here. So please do like and share our social media handles. We usually publish all our things there. You'll get to know about our events, about the webinars, about the competitions there as well. Any more questions, guys? I know as a freshies, you will have a lot of questions regarding the technicalities of finance, but trust me, we will have a lot of sessions for you. We are constantly working on making things simpler for students of IIT Madras when it comes to finance. Yeah, we like our managers, heads are into finance companies. One of our ex-manager is got placed into Axis Bank. A head before that is into Nomura. Then our current head Vignesh is done his internship into Goldman Sachs. Recently, one of our managers secured an internship into Goldman Sachs. So maybe Vignesh can tell you about his story while working into Goldman Sachs. Vignesh?
Not now, please.
Okay, sometime.
By next week, we shall do it sometime, but maybe right now we focus on other questions also.
You can pay in Vignesh
You
afterwards.
can definitely ping me, I'll reply as
Yeah.
soon as possible.
I have heard finance jobs are comparatively more strict. Okay, so finance jobs are tougher than the other jobs, slightly tougher because it involves lot of, you should be there in the moment because market is open from 9:30 to 3:30, so you have to be there, you have to constantly look into the market analysis and how market is working. So yeah, it's basically slightly more tougher than the other jobs, but it's not that tough when you enjoy the topic a bit. Okay, it is basically very interesting. Future plans of Finance Club, yeah, definitely we will tell you. Just follow our social media handles, Abhishek. ICICI Pro largest mutual funds.
That's a question in the quiz, right? We can't reveal the answer at this point in time.
Yeah.
Let people complete it.
Oh, just like one thing,
Yep.
placements are most of the domestic or international.
For there are mix of both things. Companies do come for domestic hiring as well as international hiring. Uh,
Right.
like
I was.
Goldman, JP. Sorry.
Right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't.
Yeah, companies like Goldman, JPMC, Nomura are situated in India. They have they hire analysts for the India offices. There are few companies who hire people for abroad also. Like one company, I forgot the name of the company who come for
Jane Street, right? It came for Singapore.
yeah, yeah, Jane Street. It came for Singapore role. They are providing a huge stipend as well to interns as compared to other companies. They are lower. How much, Vaishnavi? Do you remember how much was the stipend?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's 12 lakhs per month.
Yeah, so 12 lakhs for 2 months, I guess. That was the thing. It's a mix of both things.
All right. Position of quant, then PhD in quantitative finance or physics, maths related field before before I before I enter into the finance world, or directly
Aditya,
of mathematical
Aditya,
engineering I can join.
your voice is breaking at the start. Can you please repeat it again?
No, okay, actually, my internet connection is very poor. Perhaps some other meeting, then when I have a better connection, I'll ask.
Okay, no problem. We take your opinion, Shashank. Next time when we will plan some quiz, we will have it on Kahoot. Yes, don't worry. We will correct the quiz response manually. So don't worry about your marking. Okay. How to join the groups? I think Yeah, so whoever finished it fast, so we'll take them. Don't worry, incentive is the mini projects will be for the toppers, so by workshops and all other things will be for everyone. Yeah, yeah, that's why this is not a course test or yes, it's a fastest finger first. It's not a course test or intensive test, so that's why we didn't wanted you guys to put your head into it and solve the questions as such. Just wanted you guys to have fun with the questions. Will be the workshops for yeah, definitely for everyone, not just freshies but for everyone. Yeah. Any more questions, guys? I think lot of you have finished the quiz, so we will correct them manually and share the results before finishing the thing up. Any questions? Anything to ask us? Yeah, so how can we become a members of the club? Okay. So we will have a manager as well as head selection schedule this semester. Okay, we will have it after the elections, basically in the month of April, just before your exams. Okay, that time you can apply for the positions. The position will be open for all the students. We encourage everyone to apply. There are lot of pluses for our managers, like managers do get free subscription for the things which are not free for all the rest of the students. They usually get to talk to lot of alums who are working into finance, get things sorted into by listening to the stories. People usually sometimes people do get internships by connecting to alums into finance. Yeah, so and most importantly, you'll be aware of all the things happening around finance. So recently, one of our managers had made a full highlights of budget 2021, which finance minister has announced recently. So these things you'll be able to explore while working into finance.
Uh, Excuse me?
Yeah, yeah, Aditya, go on.
Yeah, my autofill accidentally completed about half of the answers in the.
Aditya, we will try to manually correct them. I think there is some problem with Google Forms. Okay, we will try to manually correct all the answers. No, no worries.
My roll number came in one of the forms, and then my country came in the other one. So that's pretty.
Okay, no problem. We will look into it. Don't worry about anything. There is some technical glitch with the.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's it. Like we are done with the presentation. If you have any questions, you can ask us, or else you can start delivering the session. Thanks for joining. And once again, enjoy your days at IIT Madras. Since you are fresher, you guys haven't met any seniors. Okay. As a senior, I would suggest you to have a good connection with your seniors, with your co-batchmates and all, and enjoy your days at IIT Madras. Focus on your studies as well. Yeah, definitely. We are just a mediator between students and the finance thing. So you can discuss about stocks, you can discuss about anything with our members or in the groups as well. You can post the questions in the groups as well. We'll try to answer all of them.